Assalamu Alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna start our dua series. So my brothers and sisters, join us in this series for more informative videos. My dear brothers and sisters, in Arabic, dua means calling, and making dua means admit our limits and asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty and all-knowing, for guidance. As is stated, this beautiful action is an obvious example of our reliance on Him, on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As it mentioned in the Quran, your Lord says, "Call upon me and I will respond to you." So my dear brothers and sisters, if you have any questions in your mind that why does the one who made the earth and the skies and the rivers and the mountains, who knows all of our needs, want us to ask Him? So here is the answer. My dear brothers and sisters, it's an understanding of our place in this universe, and the nature of servitude is the key to the solutions. My dear brothers and sisters, by making dua, we accept Allah's power and His majesty and re-establish our place as a servant. So my brothers and sisters, not only dua can be part of our formalized religious practice like salah, but it can be also become an essential component of our life. It can be anything from reading powerful and emotional verses of Quran and expressing our most sincere and profound hopes and desire to chanting Bismillah as soon as we wake up or as soon as we begin any task. We acknowledge that we might not always able to see the result of our dua when we make it. We can receive what we have requested if our prayers are heard, if our prayers are answered. The benefits or the reward may come in the different form, or even if the outcome isn't evident while we are living, we will be rewarded for it in hereafter. So there is no loss. My dear brothers and sisters, there is no loss for us under any circumstances. Yes, my brothers and sisters, if we get what we ask in this life, there is no loss. In fact, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always give best and better than what we ask. And if we don't get what we ask for, Allah reward us in the day of judgment. So it's best of best, right? So this is our today's lecture. Hope you like it, and please share, subscribe my channel and like this video and press the bell icon for more updates, and stay tuned. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.